Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Deepin to your desktop PC or virtual machine. Deepin is a domestic operating system comes with features pre-installed applications for various needs and a new desktop environment. The new desktop environment is lightweight, beautiful and stable. Deepin system settings has a new design for each module, allowing easy personalization. Before continue, make sure to check the suggested system requirements for installation. Now firstly visit the official Deepin website and download ISO image file. Once the download is complete, you have to create bootable USB. Make sure you have at least 16 GB of pen drive. Simply download Rufus software and make USB bootable. You can find video link in the description to easily make a bootable USB. Whether if you want to install Deepin on VirtualBox then create a new system. Select Linux from the drop-down menu. Choose memory and processor. Make sure to create a virtual hard disk with a size of at least 60 GB. Now do some other changes. After that start the machine. To start your computer from a USB pen drive, just plug in the USB and turn on your PC. Then, select Deepin from the boot menu. In the virtual machine, pick the ISO image file. Choose the language you prefer. You can either make a partition or simply install it on your hard drive. Make sure all of the data from the hard drive will be lost. Click on Continue. Wait to complete the installation process. Reboot your PC. Now select operating system language. Here, you can pick the keyboard layout you want to use. Select time zone. Now create username and password. Wait for the changes to be applied. Now log into your system. Choose the desktop style you prefer from the options available here. Customize the display settings according to your preferences. That's it, hopefully you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please comment below.